Today we're cooking juicy roast chicken. Get him 1 Greek chicken, clean him inside, remove any hairs if he's got it. Now get some peppers and make him nice and dry. In one bowl, put your soft butter, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika. Put inside your minced garlic. Now get some fresh rosemary, chop him and put him inside. Get 1 lemon, clean him the skin and squeeze in the juice. 1 cup. Get 1 fork and mix him all up. Now with 1 spoon, lift him out the skin. Now slowly, put some butter both sides. Push him so it's splitting nice. A little bit thyme, a little bit oregano. Put them inside the hole. 1 onion, chop him and put him inside with a lemon also. Close the flaps, get some steam. Now tie the legs so it's looking nice. He's not running anywhere. Put him 1 wrap, butter him the back and the sides, flip him and fix him up the front. Little bit more salt, pepper and beautiful Greek olive oil the top. Do your cross. Now put him in the oven 200 degrees Celsius. After 10 minutes we drop him and we start to fix him up the rice. Put 1 gazi, 100 grams butter, melt him, 1 diced onion, minced garlic. When it's going clear, turn him off. 2 cups washed rice, little bit salt, pepper. Now mix him all up. Put inside the juice the lemon, 3 cups the chicken stock. Already I put the first one. 2 bay leaves, take him out the chicken, put him the rice, keep the juices at the top. Now put him back another half an hour. Take her out when she's cooked and crunchy. Now leave her sleeping 10 minutes. When she's ready, cut up how many pieces you need. Little bit rice, little bit chicken, and little bit Greek yogurt also. It's bloody beautiful, mate.